Let's talk about bridge loans and how they can help you and your cash flow, especially if you're stuck in a project or need temporary funding. Now, you might be wondering, what the heck is a bridge loan? Well, it's basically a short-term loan that bridges a financial gap. Get it? No? Okay, no worries. Let's take a look at an example. If you have a hard money loan for a fix and flip, but you've run out of money, then a bridge loan would be a perfect solution to help you finish it. Because it's way cheaper to get a temporary bridge loan than to get stuck in an expensive loan for months or years while you figure out a way to come up with the funds to complete the project. Not to mention dealing with the cost of an incomplete project. Think about materials, contractors, taxes, insurance. The list goes on and on. Bridge loans also work great when you're looking for your next project, but your current project's closing is delayed. You can use the equity in the current project to secure a new one. And when your current project closes, the bridge loan gets paid off and you're moving on to your next project. You can even get a bridge loan so you can make a cash offer on a property. Essentially, a bridge loan is immediate cash flow. It's an excellent way to keep your projects moving along and your cash flow, well, flowing. Bridge loans prevent you and your bank account from growing stagnant or worse, depleting. Ready to chat? Great! Our team is here to help. We're eager to set you on a path that helps you make the kind of money you need to live the life you want. The Cash Flow Mortgage Company. Good loans, good people, good business.